It's already been 2 weeks since your fistula surgery. Hope you're doing well. You may have had a considerable amount of discharge over this time. As was discussed in the earlier video, this is a normal part of the healing process. A few drops of bleeding on and off is also normal. The discharge will gradually start reducing after the 3rd week. Pain will only get better with each passing day. All you must do at this stage is keep the wound clean with water. Take a sitz bath, especially if it soothes you, and apply spray before and after passing motions. Don't miss your follow-up visits. The key to success after a fistula surgery is regular planned follow-ups, because during these visits, we get to assess the wound. We get to assess whether the tract is healing on expected lines. This is very crucial to prevent a recurrence. The duration for complete healing depends upon a number of factors. Firstly, what kind of fistula you had. Was it a simple or a complex fistula? Was it a recurrent one? What kind of extensions it had? It also depends upon associated conditions like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, diabetes. In such cases, healing does take a little longer. Having said that, a simple fistula takes about 6 weeks to heal. A complex fistula takes about 8 to 10 weeks, whereas a complex recurrent or a rectovaginal fistula, or say a fistula with scrotal extensions, can take even up to 12 to 14 weeks to heal. Fistula is a debilitating condition. Treating it is equally challenging. Healing does take time, and there's nothing that can be done to hasten that process. What you can do is support the healing by maintaining a healthy, nutritious diet, especially one that is rich in vitamin C. Stay well hydrated and get good sleep. Do stay active, as it helps with blood circulation as well as with gut motility. And lastly, have faith in the miraculous healing power of your body.